Good afternoon, George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Another early rally, right to the 618 retracement in the bond market, and the market rejected that level again and is closing lower in a minor reversal day again. I think this is the third 4 to 6 day corrective rally that we've seen in the bond market in the last month and a half that has either stopped or failed at the 618 retracement level. And the bonds were the signal again. The notes had actually breached this same retracement level and were looking a lot better than the 10-year, than the bonds were, and then all of a sudden, the 10-year just got walloped and led the way down. Actually, bonds are barely unchanged right now. The Ultra bond is unchanged at the moment with, about 30 minutes before the pick closes. I'm having some computer problems, guys. I'm hoping to get this thing fixed before Monday, fingers crossed, so we'll see. I gotta go pick up a part, but I think the key is now the gaps on the downside that we left sort of early last week. That 125.23 to 125.27 level, and 132.16 to 132.20 on the bonds. I don't think we're starting another leg down. I think it's part of a big corrective pattern. You look at the 10-year note, I think we could be stuck between 125 even and 127 area for, another week or so. Market needs a corrective phase here, and it's going to be a choppy trade. Take these short-term signals, take, the trades as they show up, and move on. So I'm looking over the weekend if we can get a bit of a bounce here. I'm not looking for a big range type trade, but I'm going to use those gaps as the bottom of my short-term range. And I would say probably around 125.5 on the notes, and 134.5, 134.20 on the bonds as decent bounce levels if you see any kind of failure up there to take a shot on the short side against. Looking for kind of an equal swing. The market had the big sell-off today, then we bounced off of, I can't remember which Fed governor it was, the last one, Bullard, that said he favored continued QE. We got that bounce, and then we're coming back off again. I think we get another little bounce, either later today or into Sunday night that we can look for a failure of and try to short that. Strange week next week, guys. Take note of this. Humphrey Hawkins is Wednesday and Thursday. There's only 3 buybacks next week by the Fed on Monday and Tuesday, and then on Friday. I don't know if that's enough to support the market. We need these continued buybacks from the Fed to continue to get those good morning upticks. So we've seen them every day over the last week that we've been bouncing here. I would imagine we would see those early bounces Monday and Tuesday, and then, look out after that without the buybacks. How is the market going to bounce, Without the buybacks, there isn't a lot of buyers, it seems like, in these bonds and notes at the moment. I would imagine we'll see another bit of short covering. The rally this morning was pretty impressive. Probably saw a lot of shorts cover in front of the weekend. A lot of the retail shorts definitely. And then, the market crumbled after that. So that's not awe-inspiring, and I wouldn't want to see really any kind of trade back over 135.01 now to keep a real bearish short-term attitude. So have a great weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday morning bright and early.